got this package for video reviews. Let's see what we got here. So this is a power bank from DancingBoar. Pretty interesting product, as you're gonna see here. Solar Rechargeable LED Work Light. Some instructions. I think more fun to figure it out on our own. Here we have our wire, USB-A to USB-C to charge. It has this protective film that we're gonna put here on the side. Wow, this is bright. There's different settings. It's a solar panel, so even though it has the wire to charge as I just showed, it can be charged with these solar panels. So super cool. I'm gonna go out tonight and see just how bright it is, but again, you can see different settings. Emergency light, 3 levels of lighting, 1, 2, 3, and emergency, so 4 types. So here I am in the darkest part of my house, the alley here on the side, and look at this light. Wow, see the difference? That's off, obviously, the brightest, which illuminates all the way to the end. Flashlight, high, medium, low, and flashlight. So I have a little shop here in the back. This is some of the quote-unquote art that I make. His name is Sawyer, from the saw that it was made. And here we are. This is what I have here. And again, completely dark and completely illuminated. I could hang the light right there and I can perfectly work in here, no problem. Here's some materials that I'm gonna be using, all the tools. And even at the lower level with the battery, you still can see some, not as much. We want to have a disco party, we can do that. But look at that. Wow, amazing. And let's see the backyard, even though I have some lights here. You can walk around, do inspections. You hear anything going on weird here? There's another quote-unquote art piece that I'm working on. So pretty useful light. I like the handle, very comfortable to walk with even. Let's go outside. I'm charging a car, an electric car here too. So I live in this pretty nice neighborhood in Miami, South Miami, but look how dark it is here. Hi. Especially this block. There's no public lighting on this block, so there's the lights from that house. But you're gonna see the change here. Completely dark. So I have the light here, the portable light, and look at that. All the way. Again, if we were having an emergency, the reflectors there at the end of the street. No light. Wow, amazing. So this is Dante Facel Park. But see how dark it is at night. There's the tennis courts over there. But if you wanted to take a walk at night, this is what you will get. Look at this light now. can see far away, pretty much to the end of the path here, and obviously people will see you, so very useful for many uses. There's the indicator for the battery. It's charged. I'm gonna leave it on for a while and see how long it lasts. I'm sure it's a long time. And the charging with the solar panel should be really good too. We can go camping here, hang it there by the tent, and adjust the lighting.